children, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to learn about what do animals eat. So what do animals eat? Animals, what are the animals we are finding in our surroundings? Is that what are the animals we are finding in our surroundings? And I hope you children might be having pet animals in your home. Pet animals. Any idea there? Pet animals which we are growing, which we are having in our surroundings or else in our home. What are the animals you are keeping in your home? Pet animals. What are the animals you are having in your home? Dog, cat, rabbit. Birds, if you take about birds, parrots, pigeons. See many. And these are pet animals. Many are many people, not only elders, not only small children, you people, taking care of the pet animals. See, if you people, if you find the small dogs, what you will do? You want to play with them, and you will be bringing them to your home, and you are giving that animal food. Is it or not? You will do or not? Maximum many of the children are doing that. Okay, see these animals. Suppose you brought a small dog, kitten. Here, what you are giving that animal, small dog here? What will you give them food? What type of food you are giving that dog? Suppose if you give milk to the dog, do you know that the dog will drink milk? Of course, see, it starts sniffing with the tongue. It starts saying. When you keep milk in front of the dog, it starts sniffing and it then licks it with the upper quickly. Direct pinches. Licks means taking in. Many animals. See, in our lesson, what we are going to learn, which animal taking what type of food. Which animals are taking what type of, which food they are taking, and see what body parts they are using. Here, in this lesson, what body parts they are using for eating. Suppose we human beings, if a food is kept in front of you, what organs, what body parts will you use? Your hand, mouth, teeth, tongue. Is that with the legs will you eat? With the legs will you eat? How you are taking the food near to your mouth? With the help of hands. With the help of the hands. But animals purpose, if you see about monkey, it is same like us. With the help of hands, it is using easily. But coming to this, for a dog, if you take a good dog, do the dog have any hands? Do the dog have any hands? Then how it is eating? It is taking the help of legs itself. Legs, claws, nails will be there. But tearing, see, dog will eat flesh. You know that? It will catch the hens, rats, cats. For tearing that flesh, it is using that nails. Observe the teeth of the dogs. Each animal body structure is different. Each animal body structure is totally different. Is it? And see, observe all these animals. All these animals which are not necessary to go to the forest. Just you can see in your TVs, Discovery Channel, you can see in Discovery Channel that see how the wild animals are eating. See the teeth of the wild animals. Observe the teeth; they are very sharp. Observe the teeth of wild animals. The wild animals' teeth are very sharp. What and also observe the claws. You can't go. Can you go to the forest directly to see that lion, tiger? Will you go and see directly? Not possible. Just you can see in the movies or in the internet. You can see. Observe the nails. Observe the teeth. Is that understand what I'm saying here? So different animals are using different body parts. Different animals are using different body parts. So here the different body parts they are using, and the food eaten by the animals is also different. Different animals are eating different types of food. See, for dog, it is eating. See, if you any waste food if you keep in front of it, it will be curries. All that means all vegetable items eating. All again, suppose any. See, it is eating the flesh also. I'm saying about dog. It is drinking milk also. But suppose if you go for a monkey, you take about monkey. Nowadays, some of them are taking keeping monkeys in their houses also. Different children are having different human beings are having different habits. Okay, so that monkey will the monkey eat flesh? Will it eat flesh? Mamsam nitala monkey? No. Means what? Different animals are eating different types of food and using different body parts to eat such type of food. Understanding? Different animals are eating different types of food and using different body parts. Different body parts. Okay. Now here in our textbook, if you see how okay, one more thing, Amma. There you see different body parts, and again observe this. Again, one more water. They are how they are finding. But ella, okay, organs using. Okay, again here the what type of food it is different. What type of food it is eating. I mean, each different animals are taking different types of food. Again, one more water. See how they are finding here. How they are finding. How they are finding. What finding? How they are finding food. How they are finding the food. So different body parts I tell you. And what type of food they are eating? We can do. Wild animals, they will not eat this grass, leafy vegetables. They will not eat it. They are depending on other animals. They are killing the other animals and they are eating that flesh of that other animals, small animals, wild animals. So now coming to this, how they are finding different animals using different organs for finding the food. First, see, smell. Dog easily smells. Cat. Again, what are that? By seeing, birds. If you see birds, about birds, for finding their food, how they are searching, they are seeing two sides. In the observe just one right with eyes. Eyes they are using. Dog smell. Again, sniffing. How they find the food? Sniffing and being actually the smell is good. If you keep in front of the dog milk, if you keep milk in front of the dog, it is sniffing, Anna. What it will do? Sniffing. Sniffing means smelling. Smelling. Sniffing is nothing but smell. Then later it licks out. Sniffing. Okay. Now here what it is doing? Okay. What is that? 1 second. some animals are eating flesh, some animals are eating flesh, some animals are eating only plants, I mean grass, leafy vegetables, I mean like vegetarians we can say. And some of them are eating both flesh and this like vegetarians. So the animals which depend only on plants, animals which depend on only plants. Plants finally depend on it. Example, if you take a rabbit, it will eat only grass. So that animals will say them. Such type of animals will say herbivores. What? Herbivores. Then which are eating only flesh. Only flesh. Carnivores. Carnivores. Both which are depending on both plants and flesh. Both plants and flesh. Omnivores. Omnivores. Which are eating both plants and flesh. Omnivores. Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores. Understanding what I am saying? Okay. Now, here from finding food to eating it. Okay, they find out the food. How they are eating? They find out the food and how they are eating them. Here, after finding the food, how they are eating? First, here. So how they are seeing the game? They are tracking down, collect, grab or hunt, and then various tools to finally take food in. Australian side, for example, wild animals. First, observe. Wild, suppose lion in forest, what it is doing, what it is eating. Lion, tiger, this, what it is eating. It will kill. It will kill small animals. Small animals. So first finds it. First finding. It is finding. Wild animal first finding. Then starts hunting, chasing it, kills it. Wild animal first seeing, observe that. After finding that, okay, let it be. No, it starts running. I mean, hunting starts. It will be chasing that animal. For example, lion has seen a deer. Deer choosing. What it will do? Will it stay there itself? It starts running for hunting it. Speed runs. Then after catching that, suddenly if it falls on that, then finally jumping. It jumps on that. Then later, after jumping, killing it, then it will bring it near to it, starts eating, using different body parts. Same way, different animals also. Okay. For example, dog. See why I am saying dog, only dog. You are well known about dog. All of you are well known about dog. Dogs will not will stay a little bit similar property like a wild animal. Suppose hens, if we see the hens, dog, hens, pillar, chicks, hen or chicks. Chicks means small hens. See, if that dog finds that hen, what will it do? What it will do? First, it starts running back of that, I mean hunting, chasing, and then it catches that with the mouth, it will bring to some place and it will eat. You know much about that. Okay. Different animals. For example, rabbit, it is finding about this grass. It is finding about the grass by singing. And then it uses its teeth to eat them. Teeth and legs to eat them. Now, see about the dog, what is that it is doing? Smell. Vultures. Vulture. Where will you find vulture in your home? Huh? No. It is a bird. You're finding that. See, what is that organ? I mean, how is it finding food with the help of, vision? Bats. See, different animals. I'm saying different animals, different dogs smelling. Vultures by seeing. Bats means not cricket bat. Bat means it is a bird. Bat means bird. It's a specialty. What is its specialty? Do you know that? Bats are not having eyes. Bats are not having birds. Bats are birds. Not having eyes. And this is say very important. Bats, they will not roam in daytime. They will not fly in the daytime. They are not having eyes. But they will move only night time. Birds, we are finding them only in the night time. How then? Eyes are not there. They are moving. They are flying easily. What is that? What is that? How it is using? And they are eating. They are need food. No. They are living organisms. They need food. No. Then how? Eyes not there. How they are finding the food? By sound. They are having very sharp what? Ears. They are taking the help of sound. Resound. Birds are finding the food by hearing. Resound. Then by flying, they will make sound. Birds, which I am saying about which birds? Bats. These bats, while flying, they are making sound. Birds fly normally they will make sounds, but these bats compulsory they will make a sound. The bats move and compulsory sound. Why? See, you know this one. You know, if any disturbance not there, if any wall not there, sound will be going on. Sound spread out. Suppose in middle any disturbance there. Disturbance means suppose any wall or any tree or any what we can say compound walls or any almara like that. If we find sound strikes it and comes back. Resound and telling only opposites. That concept it is using. Which one? Bats. Okay now? Bats are taking the help of what concept? Hearing concept. What concept? Hearing concept. Okay? Understanding all of